What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Surfer Carl from Brawl Stars Jurassic Splash. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw the bottom edge of the hat brim. We'll start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out towards the right. And then in the center of that curve, we're just going to go out and then down. Let's pull the head coming down and then back up on the left side. Come down towards the bottom of the head, round out the chin, and then pull that up. Now we're going to wrap the hat brim around the side of the head. Let's start with the left side, round this out, and then pull that in. Let's go up to the top right, round up the end, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Let's add a thick edge along the bottom left. Starting up here, just going to curve this out, and then pull that in. Let's go back to the top right corner of the head, curve out, down, and then back in. Let's go to the center of the head and draw in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, draw a straight angle line going up towards the right, and then round out the corners of the mouth, going around and then in. Let's connect the bottom with a curve. Coming down and then bending that up, and then we'll separate out the teeth starting from the very top, come down, bend that in, add one more line on either side. Let's go back to the right side of the brim, draw a straight line going up, and I'm going to follow that same curve coming across. And we'll just bend that down on the left side to right about there. Now we're going to add a small half circle on the center of the brim, going up and then down. Let's move out to the side and draw two large circles for the goggles. We'll start on the left side, curve this around, up towards the top, come down, just tuck that in toward the top edge of the hat brim. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting on the right side, curve in, up, round out the goggles, and then pull that back in. Now we trace the goggles along the inside. Starting from the top left, we'll step down, just leave an even space gap all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's close off the top of the helmet. We're going to start from the top of the right goggle, curve this up, round out the top, come down the side, and then pull that back in along the bottom. Let's add that strap going across the top of the helmet. Starting from the inside of the right goggle, curve this out and then down. And we continue that curve on the left side, go out and then down. Let's step down, draw that same curve, going up and in, continue in between. Let's add a couple stripes along the bottom. Underneath that strap, go up and in, flatten off the end, and then come back down. And leave a small gap and do that again. Let's add some stripes across the top of the helmet. Starting from the left side, curve in and then down, leave a small gap, and draw that again. Let's add another stripe. We're going to step up, in and down on top of the goggle, step up, draw that again. I'm going to add one more stripe on the left side. Coming in and down, draw that one more time. Let's add one stripe on the right side. Going out and then down, step over, draw that again. Now on top of the helmet on the left side, we're going to add a small half circle. Now I'm going to move down and tuck the body in underneath the head. Let's start on the left side and draw an oval, going all the way around towards the bottom, go up the right side, and then pull that back in underneath the head. From the top of the body, we're going to step in, draw two straight lines coming down, connect the bottom with a curve. And then we'll add that lightning bolt symbol in the center of the body. We'll start with a straight line going across the top. On the left side, angle down and out. Come straight in toward the middle. Angle back down and out. Let's go over towards the right side. Angle down and in. Go straight out. I'm just going to pull this down towards the bottom of the bolt. Let's go up to the top of the body and add 2 half circles for the hinge. Start from the top, go around, and then in. Do the same thing on the right. From the bottom of that half circle, we'll step up, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the thumb. We come straight down, round up the thumb, and then pull that back up. And then we'll add in 3 fingers. Let's start from the top of the thumb, curve out and then down, round up the finger, go up and back in. Now you want to layer 2 more fingers on either side. Starting from the end, curves up and in, go back out, curve up, pull that in towards the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the cuff coming in and then bending that down. Step down, draw that same curve. And then from the top of the cuff, we step down, curve in, and then down in behind the shoulder. Let's add a seam. Starting at the top, curve in, and then down. Now I'm going to separate the thumbs and the fingers. Let's start from the inside of the thumb, curve up and then down. Go to the top of the first finger, come in and then down. And we'll separate the rest of the fingers. Now we're going to continue working down towards the feet. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a short angle line coming down and out on both sides. And then from here, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up. Now I'm going to draw a half circle on the tip of each foot. Starting on the left, go up and then bring that back down towards the bottom. And then from the top of the foot, let's step out, draw a straight line going up. And then from the outside, curve this in and then down towards the inside of the leg. From the outside of the boot, we'll step in, draw a half circle, going up and then down. Then we'll go to the top of this curve, bend the leg going up and in towards the side of the body. Let's add some detail to the leg, starting with the bottom edge of the shorts. Starting from the outside of the leg, curve this in and then down. And then from the top of this curve, draw 2 short lines coming down, close off the bottom. Let's fill those areas in black. I'm going to draw that same shape on the outside edge of the boot. Start with these 2 straight lines, close off the bottom. And then we'll fill those in black. And then from the inside, we'll step in, draw a straight line coming down towards the toe cap. Let's add a thick sole along the inside of the boot. Starting from the left, step up, just trace that same curve coming in towards the heel. Let's place the surfboard underneath the legs. From the left toe, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going out towards the edge of the fin. From the end, angle up and out. And we'll just curve that in and then down towards the inside. From the inside of that fin, draw a straight line coming in toward the side of the boot. We'll continue that line in between the legs. Now go back to the bottom corner of the fin, angle down and out. Let's round out the front edge of the surfboard. We come down, round this out, and then pull that back up towards the right. Let's line up the center line on the right side of this leg, curve this out, and then down towards the tip. And then we'll connect the ends of the surfboard with a curve. Let's start on the left. Come down in towards the middle, round this out, and then pull that back up on the right. I'm going to add 2 circles along the bottom, starting on the left, go all the way around, back up, and we'll line this up on the right side. Let's add that same lightning bolt in the center, starting with a straight line in the middle, go to the left side, angle down and out, come in toward the center, and angle back down. Let's go to the top right, angle down and in, straight out, pull this down towards the bottom. Let's go underneath the right foot, curve this down and then across, pull that straight down towards that edge. And we'll pull this trim in behind that circle, starting down here, curve down and in, continue on the right side, going out towards the side. Let's add a small circle on either side, starting on the right, and we'll line this up on the left. I'm going to add that paddle along the bottom, starting down here, angle down and out, go straight out towards the left, pull this down and in. And it comes straight across the bottom, follow that same angle line going up underneath. And that's pretty much it. There's Surfer Carl from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.